impactful simplicity, attainable expression, enduring performance. Gerber products embody these standards. But what does this mean for you? It means plumbing products that you can set and forget. Life's complicated, and we're here to make things a little simpler with products that equal peace of mind. It means getting the style you deserve without the hefty price tag, so you don't have to choose between your daughter's braces or your dream bathroom. It means products that you can depend on to perform without exception for everyday use, and some not so everyday use. Products that will last for generations, so you can focus on what really matters.